In the modern age of remote-controlled vehicles, there was one truck that stood above the rest. Because for the little truck that could, there was nothing that could stop it. Experience the new reaches of remote control technology and this new epic adventure, the little truck that could. All the while being amazed by the vast sights and sounds of this immense Florida landscape. Immerse yourself in the world of a four-wheel drive, remote-controlled electronic LiPo-powered beast that could take on nearly any challenge. Breaking both the speed and endurance records of any other truck in its class, it was a hero of a truck. Starring the Traxxas Stampede, a brave, electronic, and unstoppable daredevil. Until that one fateful day that the little truck that couldn't anymore.